Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. How to extract data from a corrupt zip file. Yes, you heard that right. Dealing with corrupt zip files can be a real headache, especially when you have important data trapped inside. But worry not, because we got a solution for you. Let's talk about the solution now. The trick to extracting data from a corrupt zip file is to use a data recovery tool, such as DiskInternals zip repair. This handy tool is specifically designed to repair and extract data from corrupted zip files, making your life a whole lot easier. All you need to do is download and install the software, select the corrupt zip file, and let the tool work its magic. Before you know it, you'll have your precious data back in your hands. In addition to using a data recovery tool like DiskInternals zip repair, another solution to consider is using a command line tool like 7-zip. With 7-zip, you can attempt to repair the corrupt zip file and extract its contents using simple commands. While this method may require a bit more technical know-how, it could be a great alternative solution for those who prefer command line tools. In a nutshell, dealing with corrupt zip files can be a real pain, but with the right tools and know-how, you can easily recover your important data. Whether you choose to use a user-friendly tool like DiskInternals zip repair or dive into the world of command line tools with 7-zip, rest assured that there's a solution out there for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech problems you'd like us to cover. Happy extracting,